According to the International Association of Certified Home Inspectors, 60% of the decks that are currently standing in the United States are not built safely. Some of the most common defects are the spindles are more than 4 inches apart and/or they are not vertical. The handrail is not 36 inches tall. The lowest portion of the handrail is over 4 inches off the deck. The handrail going down the stairs is not a graspable handrail. If it has a gate on it, the gate must swing back in over the deck, not over the steps. When the deck is over 4 feet off the ground, the post must be a minimum of 6 inches by 6 inches or larger, and the post cannot be buried in the ground. This is only a small portion of the defects that are common on a deck.